people listen to their eyes.
Agree.
They don't listen with their ear. That saying, you do not judge a book by its cover, but still people do it. Transformation is रूपांतरण. एक कदम बदलाव की ओर, and that बदलाव is not absolute change. It is elevation. We are taking a leap ahead.
So welcome to the Dr. Sneha Tripathi on the Medical Marvel podcast. Welcome,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much.
So one skill which you think doctor is missing today's world. What is the one thing or a two thing essentials doctor is missing in this world?
Doctors are mastered in every skill.
Mm-hmm.
And they already are very much knowledgeable in whatever they do.
Mm-hmm.
I won't tell that they are missing it. I will tell them that they need to polish that skill.
Okay.
And that skill is of empathy.
Okay. Yeah.
You need to empathize with your patient. You need to tune in with your patient. What are his requirements? What are his fears? What are his limitations? And then go according with the diagnosis. So one thing is, do not just experience or show empathy, but be in the shoes of the patient and then identify the core of the disease and then dissolve or solve it.
So what is the word Rupantran? Like what do you mean? Why you choose this word?
Rupantaran means transformation.
Okay.
So only speaking,
Mm-hmm.
when you speak to someone, you are merely giving information.
Mm-hmm.
But when you communicate with someone, you are connecting with that person. And when you effectively communicate, you transform people. You bring in the change in people. So I want that effective communication to be there in each and every member who is associated with AMA. That transformation is रूपांतरण. एक कदम बदलाव की ओर, and that बदलाव is not absolute change. It is elevation. We are taking a leap ahead.
So like no doctor who say I don't have a time for all those things. I already know I am doing studies. So I'm since so many years. I become MBBS, then MD, then this, then that, and because of this one skills, he is losing his career. Okay, the kind of patient should get a result. He is not getting that kind of results. What would you say to that kind of or a category of doctors about if they learn what will be the outcome?
The very first thing that we need to start with is realization.
Okay.
Until unless person does not realize that he or she wants to change, you cannot bring in the change. The first step is realization. After self-realization with some activities or some samples, you can tell them that this is the thing that you are lagging behind. And the process, when the person accepts the problem as a problem, half of the solution is there.
Right.
So we have to start with the realization. Self-realization, the doctor realizes that I am lagging behind in this soft skill, because of which I'm losing the interest of my patient. I'm not able to give a proper compliance. In spite of giving so much right, correct advices and medicines, I'm not getting the desired result. I'm not able to satisfy my patient. So what is the lagging behind? What is the problem? So first is realization, then the acceptance, and then the solution.
So great. So mainly what I see, doctors when they start a clinic or if they are running, the staff whom they are hiring, they are well known, like the friend, family, or whatever the candidate is available to them. Okay. So they don't have any kind of training or anything. The front part is a receptions. Okay.
Yes.
So what you suggest, what kind of training a receptionist required to build a reputations and a different kind of image which build or spread over the time for doctors?
Receptionists are the face of your hospital. They are the first person that interact with anybody entering the hospital. So how should be your face? If I ask you, how should be your face?
Always smiling. I should have, yeah.
Beautiful, attractive,
Right.
charming,
Right.
a charisma. That if I come to your hospital, I see the receptionist and I feel the premium feeling in your hospital just by interacting with the receptionist. So for the receptionist, there should be personality development, grooming session, how he or she is appearing overall, what are the gestures, postures, makeup, hairstyle, accessories, type of clothes, type of shoes, everything what she is carrying in her presentation.
Okay.
So overall presentation, overall appearance, overall non-verbal behavioral skills, they are the first thing to be imparted to the receptionist or the staff members.
So, like no, adding to this, what the impact will dressing will make in a hospital? If they like no hospital dressing styles will make a change on a patient or a outcome, or how the patient will behave.
I'll give an example.
Yeah.
I'm giving you a dish of salads. There is this chiku, there is this fruit, there is this vegetable, there are these leaves, there are some other multiple things spread very unevenly on the plate. Here I'm giving you another plate, properly aligned, properly presented. वो मास्टर शेफ में देखा है ना, सॉस डाल के ऐसे करके डिज़ाइन वगैरह
हाँ,
बनाई है.
फीलिंग
ठीक है?
आ रहा है.
बहुत. अब मैं आपके आगे दोनों प्लेट रखूंगी. Properly aligned, presentable salad and a very dismanaged salad dish. With you don't know what all things are also there because some are not visible.
Okay.
Which one will you pick?
I'll go with this. Okay. My impression is that I'll go with this only. If it is not available, I'll check that one. Then also 90% my no will be there. If last food, then we'll go with that.
People listen through their eyes.
Agree.
They don't listen with their ears, they listen with their eyes. That saying, you do not judge a book by its cover, but still people do it because we as a human psychologically are imbibed in pattern that we see something, we judge in a very first instance and then we go into the detail. But when we judge in the very first second, we keep that mindset and stereotype with us and accordingly we move forward. The first 30 seconds decide how the next 30 minutes will be.
Okay. So great. I usually say to doctors that when you will visit any hotel or restaurant or a 5-star hotel, they'll go for holiday. So you will choose the best services or best experience who is providing. Okay. But when you will practice, why you are not doing for your hospital or your clinic? So what is the mindset challenges or awareness challenges? What do you think? People, they want the best, but they don't do for their customer or their patients.
The only difference is in the concern. What are they concerned about?
Okay.
Are they concerned about a satisfactory patient or are they concerned about that I have treated one patient, that's all?
Okay.
So what
one
is the
case.
finality? What is the finality that a doctor wants to achieve? For a martyr, the one soldier going for a war, the finality is that I will die for my country. I'll keep fighting till I die. So that is the finality of a soldier. So what is the finality of that doctor? उसका वो फाइनल रिजल्ट सिर्फ एक पेशेंट को दवा देकर टेम्पररी ठीक करना है कि उसके पास आ रहे 100 पेशेंट को सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिजल्ट देना है कि ताकि उनके या उनके परिवार में कोई दूसरी समस्या आती है तो वो वापस मेरे पास आए.
सबसे
हाउ मच विजनरी अ डॉक्टर इज. उसको वो हॉस्पिटल सिर्फ 10 साल चलाना है या 500 साल तक खींच के लेके जाना है. That one approach can change.
And I really agree with this. Very few doctors who are able to transfer the hospital business to their next generation. The whoever transfer, they had the same thought, they had the same vision. What you said, that what is their core or end values, where they want to head it, they want to end. So according to that, they had prepared themselves. Then it was possible.
तो उनको एक सिटी हॉस्पिटल नहीं, उनको तो एक लेगेसी बनानी है.
Correct.
If you want a big legacy, you have to be concerned about the outcome first. Then what you are inputting in it.
So what is the main decision difference in a legacy driven and just kam chalana?
As you said earlier and as I explained earlier, that what is your outcome? How do you see your patient? Are you even listening to your patient or you are merely listening to their complaints
Symptoms
and based on
all,
the complaints you gave them medicine? But were you capable enough to listen what they did not say? Their fears, their limitations, their side story, their stereotypes, their advices that they have been listening in the family. So he comes with a very complex mind. He comes with a very superstitious mind. He has some knowledge that he has gained from Google and from relatives. So nowadays, every patient has some kind of knowledge about the suffering that he already has. So are you even listening to those stereotypes, those advices that he already know, those Google Baba dictionary?
But they
Google
are not
knowledge
taking
के लिए
action on that. They are listening, they are aware, and that is inside their heart, but they are not taking any actions. So let's come to a color combination. Do this work on the patients or a hospital environment?
I am wearing absolutely contrasting color.
Mhm.
Orange is a power color, and exactly opposite palette of orange is lavender.
Mhm.
So I am wearing that. Color do work on psychology. They give you confidence. If you are wearing perfect color, it gives you confidence. That hesitation, that fear of being wrong, that fear of being judged, the fear of being laughed at, these all fears can be eliminated by choosing perfect colors, what you are wearing today.
Let's what hospital or clinic should choose their, like, no, staff wise we'll have a 2 or 3 staff category. Receptions, what kind of clothes or color should they have that their dressing. I'm not saying if any hospital want to have a uniform, okay, so what kind of color should will work on the patients and for them.
Hospital is a place that deals with emotions.
Okay.
Empathy rules there. So it is a very softer side of profession. It does not deal with the hardcore emotions, but very soft side emotion. Very sensitive people. So for sensitivity, for softer side, we prefer soft palette, white, lighter shades of blue, the colors that give calm to your eyes, calmness to your psychology, that you feel calmer, because people who come there, they're always hyper.
Okay.
Be it the doctors, be it the patient, be it the relative, they're always in concern, in stress. So we have to pick colors which reduces stress.
So let's put examples. What percentage of India will put on India?
I am unable to hear.
Okay. What percentage of people will choose color consciously and what is not? What is the percent? If we are taking 10%, 10 numbers of people, out of that, how many number today they are choosing color of their clothes consciously?
Consciously 3, unconsciously 8.
Great. Good.
Because we all have this knowledge of identifying oneself, that in which cloth we are more comfortable. Comfort does not come only physically, comfort comes mentally. I may not be comfortable in the cloth I'm wearing, but I am mentally comfortable.
Okay.
Because it gives me confidence. So each and every one has this process of identify that what and where I am comfortable. Decorum, place, situation, cloth, food. These all things combine your comfort zone, and everybody picks his or her comfort zone very smartly.
So this works on a wall and everywhere of the hospital or clinic, or if you have a house also, that same thing, color concept, right?
Yes.
So great. If a doctors who want to start their practice or he's completing his career, what are 2 or 3 soft skills he or she must have to grow their career or retain patient?
The very first thing, not just for doctors, be it any profession, the first thing is active listening. You don't just listen to your patient, your customer or your clients. You try to understand what they are not saying. That is listening. The second is empathy. Do not just show them, experience their experiences so that you can align with the same result and same target, the listener and the reader. Both are into the same concept. And the third thing I'll say is emotional quotient. How much you are picking and touching the emotional aspect of that patient. Okay. Being in this profession, being patient, carrying patients is very important. So how much emotionally you are connected, how much empathy you show to them, and how much actively you are listening. These 3 are the major. And the fourth I would like to add is problem solving skill.
Problem solving.
They are constantly under stress. They are always burned out because they have so many things to deal simultaneously. And they are in a profession which has very risk factor. You are dealing a very sensitive issue. That is somebody's health. That is the topmost priority of anyone.
Right.
So because you are dealing with so sensitive issue, you might face many problems. So you must have very creative problem solving skills rather than critical problem solving skills. There is difference between being critical and being creative.
Right. So I'll visit many doctors. Okay. When I say, sir, you must train your staff. Okay. So many doctor out of them say, my area of patient is not like that. They are rural. They don't understand all those things. What you say, or what is primary job to doctor, whether in respective of patient profile, whether they are coming from metro city or they are rural part of India or they are from any small village. Okay. Why they should carry soft skills in their hospital or their chambers? Like maximum doctor are thinking, if I have a premium customers or educated people, I just train my team. If I am in a town or wherever, I don't train. That is not required. So what do you say in this? Why every hospital must train their staff on the soft skill training?
When a patient comes to you, he's coming with a problem.
Agree. Anyone
And
in respective
you
everywhere.
are there sitting as a helper.
Yeah.
The soft skill in you will bring this centric person as the helper. Like if I am not aware about soft skill, if I don't have proper communication skills, I do not empathize with them. Somebody is coming with me problem, I'll say, "Shu takleef chhe? Shu problem chhe? What is your problem? What is the disease? What are the things happening to you?" Okay, so what you have centered the problem. Shu thayu chhe? Shu takleef chhe? Rather than that, you say, मैं आपकी किस तरह से मदद कर सकता हूँ? How may I help you? So you have centered the helper in the center. So उसका approach आपके लिए अब बदल जाएगा. आप उसकी problem को लेके नहीं बैठोगे, आप उसको मदद करने के लिए
So
बैठोगे.
there is a change in energy and a tone.
Energy, tone, pitch equally important. Because ये आपकी जो tone pitch है ना, आपके शब्द अलग हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आपकी tone और pitch आपके actual emotions project करती है.
So last part we can go on energy.
Yes, definitely.
Great, good to know. It was not planned, but I love the way you explain the energy also. Why should always we must carry a positive energy?
Can-
Okay, so why should we must always carry a positive energy? What happened? What is the concept of this?
We being a part of universe, we attract things.
Okay,
So if you want to have positive energy in yourself, because you attract energies, and this is scientifically proven now. So if you, whatever kind of energy you want, you have to give it first, so that the surrounding have that energy that you want to have. गांधी जी ने भी कहा है कि दुनिया में हमें वही बदलाव लाना है जो हम पहले खुद में ला सकते हैं.
agree. पहले खुद accept कर सकते हैं तो वो कर.
Yes, bring the change in you that you want to bring in the world.
So doctors always daily they are going through many disappointment. Some kind of patients को according to their result नहीं आता है. Many times it's happened during the day. How should they manage their mental health? According to your perspective.
Non-compliance can come because of many reasons. In spite of giving better advices, in spite of giving proper medicines, still there is non-compliance. So definitely any person will burn out, will feel stressed out. There are 4 to 5 things that I suggest to anybody, not just doctors, that if you want to come out of this routine, the very first thing is do something creative.
Okay.
Create something.
Meaningful.
एक माँ अपने बच्चे से attached क्यों होती है? The best relationship in this world is between a mother and the son or the daughter. उसका बच्चे के साथ. You know why? Because वो उसकी creation.
Wow.
That is the only one thing that she created. Hence, she is so much attached to the child.
That's-
Any profession, if you want to come out of stress, create something of your own. Own something कि ये मेरा है, इसको मैंने बनाया है. वो एक थेरेप्यूटिकल आपको एक्सपीरियंस
So,
देगा.
उसके लिए जो भी पेन वो लेता है वो स्ट्रेस नहीं लगता. इट्स लुक लाइक जॉय.
Yes, क्योंकि वो मेरा है. ओनरशिप आपको हमेशा खुशी लाती है. किसी भी चीज़ की ओनरशिप. एक कार ली है, आई ओन दैट कार, आई एम हैप्पी. अरे ये पौधा आपने रखा है, देन यू से मी ये आपके लिए है. Oh, now I am the owner of this pot. I am happier.
So you will take care whatever will happen to this.
Yes.
Whether you are hungry, irrespective you are tired,
Yes.
you first comes and you see this how this spot or whatever.
That decide your ownership and responsibility. How much ethical you are in holding the responsibilities that you own. वहाँ पे फिर उनका दूसरा सेगमेंट आ जाता है.
So great, good to know you. Like my last is, what advice you would give doctor on a soft skills communications in respective of whatever they are in their career, what they must learn 2 or 3 things
Again, I'll focus on one major
to summarize.
thing.
Yeah,
Only one major thing, that is empathy.
great.
Connect with them emotionally. I know you have your knowledge. You are the expert in the field, that you are there to cure people. But the one coming to you has so many things. He's not just looking for the medicines. He's looking for empathy. He's looking for solution deeper. Not just कि आपने ये दवाई ली तो आपका बुखार खत्म हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
Can you explain me what is empathy? Simple. Who don't know? He maybe know, but word did not understand that.
मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती
Yeah, good.
हूँ. किसी को डायबिटीज हुई, शुगर लेवल बहुत बढ़ गया.
Good.
तो डॉक्टर के पास आया. डॉक्टर ने उसे जो भी एडवाइसेस होती है, मेडिसिन ली, बट मेडिसिन के साथ आपको शुगर नहीं करना है, एकदम कम एक्सरसाइज करना है, बासी खाना नहीं खाना है, राइस नहीं खाना है, ये सारी चीज़ें उसको बता दी. ठीक है, वो घर गया. 3 महीने बाद वापस आता है. नो चेंज इन स्पाइट ऑफ द मेडिसिन,
Okay.
इन स्पाइट ऑफ टेकिंग द केयर.
It's usually happen.
डॉक्टर गेट्स एंग्री. तो उसको थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेशन हुआ कि आपने दवाई ठीक से नहीं ली, बिल्कुल भी कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ है.
Judgment आ गया.
शुगर कम क्यों नहीं हुआ है, आपकी रूटीन क्या थी, आपका क्यों कम नहीं हुआ. तो ये एक अप्रोच उसने दिया, क्योंकि उसको हुआ कि अब इससे बड़ी दवाई कैसे दूं?
इससे बड़े.
ये तो मैंने फाइनल कर दिया, इसका मतलब ये कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहा है.
Right.
ये कहीं ना कहीं तो कमी कर रहा है. आप दवाई क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो, आप दवाई ली ही नहीं है, आप राइस खाते हो, आप मीठा खाते हो. ठीक है, तो ये वहाँ पे ब्लेम चालू हो जाता है कि मेरी मेडिसिन तो अच्छी थी, लेकिन आपके जो कंप्लायंस सिस्टम था, आपको जो मैंने एडवाइस दी, वहाँ पर आपने कमी कर दी. तो आपने क्या किया, हाथ ऊपर करके उस पर डाल दिया. I'll come to this. Let me end the story. उसकी जगह आपको पेशेंट से एम्पैथी कहाँ है.
हाँ.
अब आपको उससे उसकी जगह ये पूछना चाहिए, दवाई लेने में क्या दिक्कत आई.
Can you come again?
दवाई लेने में क्या दिक्कत आई.
Great.
Was there any problem in taking medicines?
Okay.
Were you not capable to stop the diet that I have told you? डाइट कट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है क्या. तो जाके वो बताएगा कि मैं हलवाई हूँ, मेरी मिठाई की दुकान है, तो जो भी मिठाई बनती है टेस्टेड पीस के लिए मुझे टेस्ट करना कंपलसरी है, और बिना मेरे टेस्ट किए हुए मैं उसे बेच नहीं सकता. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न मेरी डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल है. तो जाके वो, इफ़ यू वांट द एक्चुअल आंसर, द ट्रूथ, यू वांट टू नो द ट्रूथ ऑफ द पेशेंट, you have to show empathy. You have to open him up.
So approach is in a like no, empathy is in an approach, right? The way you approach anyone and everyone.
Exactly.
So good. I had today's one of the best conversations,
thank
and
you. Thank you
I
so
love this, and it helped me to learn many things in my life also. I hope this would love doctor also, and they learn from this conversation.
And we are coming with Rupantaran, that
Yeah.
is a training module.
So you
One-day
have a training?
module. Yes, I'll be having training
So
for
it's
the
online
doctors.
or offline?
One day in-person session है.
In-person sessions. Where in Ahmedabad?
In Ahmedabad, AMA में ही है Rupantaran. We are
What
coming with
date?
that.
And so you can
That
give.
we have not yet decided, but definitely who want to have this better leap of faith or transcend होना
So
चाहते
how
हैं
many?
आप.
Like no, it's a one-day event, but
One
it,
day,
I think
one-day
so.
event. One-day event. We can also extend it into continuous.
So if someone is taking the course, you can extend hand holding.
Yes, you can.
Good. Thank you very much.
you so
Whenever
much.
you are launching, let us know. So we will forward to our audience also.
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Thank you.
so
Thank you a
much.
lot.